Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Beck. So today I have to put a door seal in a Kia. That's pretty much it. On to the Kia. These parts come directly from Kia, shipped from Arizona, so yay. Here's your top corner. Looks the same. Those stupid clips fell. One of those white clips there fell down there. There we go. And it goes in here. All right. I replaced it because I found this. This is the old one. But on the new one, it also has that cut. I ordered the wrong door seal, got this one. It has little spikes or whatever that go into the certain parts of the door. And I've still got it, so I think I'm just going to swap that one too. I mean, when you look at the door seal, it does look kind of flat. I'll just unbolt it there. See the little clips? That's how I knew it was the wrong one, because I pulled the old one off, or the old one against the body, and realized it didn't have these clips, so I never opened it. But held on to it just in case, and, well, it's already here. I have to compress that arm into the door. Get out all those little green clips. And that one's the one I'm trying to get now. Ooh. That'll work. There's also these clips that slide in this track. So the track ends right here, about where that door panel is, and goes all the way over. So there was at least 3 of those clips, maybe 4. There's also 2 little push pins. They go in the corners, the very top corner, and then down where the door trim is. Right here, right here. Taking this little flat head and this edge right here into that channel. So the reason why these clips are the way they are is this slides in the track. So if you're looking at the door that way, they come up this way. So this lip actually sticks up, and the door seal actually has little pockets cut that these sit in. There's probably a pocket right there. You can see they're right there. And there was another one right there that they just sat in. And looking at the channel this way, it goes in like that. It can clip into place, so it can slide up and down here, but locks in. There's a pocket right there that clip goes into. There. I'm just going to walk this into that channel, just lightly kind of pushing it over. Finish this up. It's coming up real soon. I'm going to have to work on this Jaguar. Got to replace the hydraulic brake booster in it. I already got the part, just don't have the time. It's actually in the car, so do that, then that project will be done with. Alright, so that's going to be it for the day. Not real exciting this one, but that's what you get sometimes. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.